Hello everybody, so today I went to Dairy Queen and I got a chance to get me a Blizzard. I'm going to try the new Flutter Nutter Reese's Blizzard. I got a large just in case I like it so that I can have some for today, tomorrow, and maybe this will last me 4 days, eating like a little serving each day. So let's see what we have here. So it's supposed to have it's dripping. It's supposed to have Reese's in it with marshmallow filling. So it's rich and creamy. It's a really good Reese's Blizzard. Let's try to get where the marshmallow is. Actually, some of this just melted a little bit. I'm going to drink it off. And look for the marshmallow part. Okay, so it does have a marshmallow part, but you can't see it really good because it's mixed in with the Reese's. But it does have a marshmallow part in there. So that's Blizzard. It's really good. And I'm going to get a couple more spoonfuls, put it in the freezer for another time to have a serving. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.